Victor train.
Mm-hmm.
We got a little, like, we got a crossing here and here.
Crossing. Make the gates go down. Boom, boom, boom. Cool. Crossing's there.
And a crossing here.
And this thing, it goes.
Dad, I'm supposed to talk.
Yeah, go on.
This is my aquarium car. This lights up. I got Shark One. Apple car. It's made by Brio. It's a little like station. The doors open and closed. Let's turn this wheel. Tunnel, a little bridge. Oh yeah, I got a dead end thing. Trains don't go this way or this. We'll go this way, but you can't go this way. Then switch. Go back to the little like crossing gate. And as you can see, it's a tunnel here and like a little separate tunnel here. I got a normal like Thomas the Tank Engine train, like what you would see on the show. I got the face up from the car showing from the end. And this is a bus train car, and this is the TR1.
Okay. Bus train?
Yes, bus car train.
Huh. So like
and I like this part. It's like not a lot of, but it's like this bridge thing. It's a really good bridge. You go up and straight down.
I believe that's an IKEA.
Yes.
The bridge is IKEA.
And this is Thomas. And press this button for this thing. These lights go off. It's somehow there's a green and a red.
Yeah.
And now we have a car gonna cross, which I have to make. Oh no, it's stuck in the tracks. Ding ding. That was a good one. Let's see a couple of parts of this. Parts that are gets. And oh no. Okay. Now it's just gonna be. This is actually gonna cross. As you can see, if you put them together, it makes like a no. The car is at the no.
Mhm.
And a little car, real car didn't. Apple car didn't cross. And get closer to the track. So it looks like.
It gets right up close to the thing. Whoa. These are close, alright. Oh, too close. Okay.
And I'm making the Thomas train finally move. Finally, the video. You know, the car can be like, you know, happen here, and this could be a... What those like BNSF medium things? That can like go on the track and out on this track.
Those, like, the repair guy trucks?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Except the car.
Except it's an Apple car. Okay.
I got the X's for this. Like
Yes.
I showed that, but
Yeah, goldfish crackers. Okay.
one
Alright.
ginormous train. I can see Victor has a light. There's a light.
And naturally, what's at the end of the train? Booze.
Then what is the aquarium car? Saying Victor, Amy, Clarabelle, and Thomas. Now there's one more thing. The apple car. I'm Thomas. Yeah.
Oh dear. Okay. And now how do we end this? By doing that?
No.
Okay.
You're end up showing the caboose. But it's not over yet. It's not over yet. I still haven't.
Well, it's something to think about. We have to. It has to end at some point.
This is. We got a square there, there, and there.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 splits.
Mm-hmm. Some 2-way and 3-way splitters. Mm-hmm.
I'm not stuck in the tracks. Oh, and the train's coming. For me. Got out the trash. That's good. So we're going with Scotch and where's the toy train bar? Alright, we're here. Somehow let's buy right on train tracks. Oh, here's the train.
Mm.